So a few weeks ago, I made this walnut cutting board and I donated it to an auction that was raising money for a local high school baseball program. And the high bidder on this item not only gets the cutting board, but I agreed to work with them on doing some kind of simple inlay into the board. And that's what I'm working on today. I'm going to get the male and female parts of the inlay carved out, get it glued up, so in the next day or two I can get this board finished up and get it back to her. I'll be carving this inlay with a 30-degree V-bit, and the first carve is all set up, so I'll get my ears on, turn the vacuum on, and we'll get this thing going. And this first carve should only take about 15 minutes. Here we go. As you can see, that carved really clean. I'm very happy with that. The inlay will be done in maple, so I'll get that piece secured to the spoil board, and we'll get that carved. All right, guys, I had a bit of a failure with that carve. Let me show you what I think happened. So as you can see, as the V-bit was carving, the material it was carving away was kind of getting stacked up and pressed into the groove it was making. And then some of these more delicate pieces started snapping off. Now you might get some breakage on some of this stuff, but when it starts breaking really deep into the carve like that, that's not going to be any good for an inlay. So I glued up a hard maple ingrain little panel, and I'm going to retry this carve in that. And I'm going to cut away all the waste material first, and then do the detail with the 30-degree V-bit. We'll see how that works. All right, there you go. Carve turned out really well. As you can see, there's always some little fuzzy stuff, little chips you got to clean up, but very minor. This is going to work just fine. So I'll take it over to the main shop, get this cut out and glued into our cutting board. Check, check. Is this... Hello? I don't think this is doing anything. So my microphone died. I'm hoping the camera's picking this up. I think it is, but it's about 9:30 at night, so I want to get this cut out and get it glued up so I can finish this up tomorrow. I don't have time to wait for that microphone to charge up. So hopefully this is picking up audio and we can move along with this. All right, guys, it's a new day here in the shop. I'm gonna get my weight off of this cutting board and then take it over to the CNC room and just make up a real quick little clearing path, and we'll clear that excess insert off of that cutting board and see how it looks. That looks like it's seated really well all the way around, so I expect this is going to look really nice once it's all cleaned up. All right, guys, I just want to explain really quickly what I'm doing here in case you've never done this. All I did in V-carve is I made my material the size of this insert, and then I made a box that's slightly larger than the material, and then I ran a pocket tool path to pocket out that whole box that's around the material using the same upcut end mill that I used before. And my start depth is 0, or the top of the material, and it's going to cut to 0.3 inches in depth, which should put the end of my end mill right in this gap here between the maple and the walnut. So that's it. It's really just a simple pocket operation, but instead of carving a pocket into something, you're just removing all this waste material. And it's all set up and ready to go. So this is supposed to carve from the center out, and as you can see, it started carving over here. So I stopped it, and the mistake I made was the material size I used was for the old insert I had made up before this one. So I just resized it to fit this piece of material and reran the tool path. So this should start in the middle here and carve out all of this. So should be good to go now. All right, a little sanding and finish, and we'll be good to go. All right, the sanding is looking good, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my logo on this thing. All right, guys, another successful inlay done. This is a project I did and I donated to a auction that was raising money for a local high school baseball program. And I'm sure the lady that ordered this and came up with this design is going to be really happy with it. Well, that's it for this one. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.